Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new wallet or add a new wallet to the bitcoin.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page and then tap on the add import button indicated by this plus icon that you can see in the middle of the screen in the right side next to the My Wallet section. Tap on it and click on the first option, add new personal wallet. Then you should select the asset type. If you tap on it, you can see that you have 4 options that you can choose from, so tap on the relevant one. Then you should enter the name of your wallet. Then click on the create button down below, and here if you scroll down you can see that you have your wallet displayed in the My Wallet section, and if you click on it you will be able to see your balance at the top. If you click on the 3 dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen, you can select its color. You can turn on the hide balances function, meaning that if you turn this on, you won't be able to see your balance at the top. And you can also turn on the request pending authentication function. If you tap on the wallet information section, you will be able to see all the necessary and important information concerning your wallet. So if you want to get rid of it, you can also delete your wallet by tapping on this button down below. You should type in delete wallet to confirm this process, and then you will be able to get rid of it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.